A peaceful backyard with a spacious wooden deck overlooking a lush green lawn. Lounge chairs, a small table, and soft sunlight through trees create a warm, relaxing mood. A bright suburban backyard features a polished wooden deck opening to a neatly trimmed lawn. Potted plants and a pergola cast soft afternoon shadows over the seating area. A cozy backyard with a rustic wooden deck stepping down to a vibrant green lawn. String lights, flowering shrubs, and garden beds create a peaceful outdoor retreat. A modern backyard with a sleek wooden deck beside a wide open lawn. Minimalist furniture, large planters, and golden hour sunlight create a calm outdoor escape. A charming backyard with a weathered wooden deck overlooking a freshly mowed lawn. A round table, blooming flowers, and leafy trees create a gentle, inviting setting. A family-friendly backyard features a spacious wooden deck leading to a soft green lawn. A grill, outdoor sofa, cushions, and play equipment make it lively and welcoming. A tranquil backyard garden with a natural wooden deck facing a large open lawn bordered by shrubs and trees. A nearby hammock and soft morning light add peaceful charm. A stylish backyard patio with a wide wooden deck overlooking a manicured lawn. Lantern lights and modern furniture create a welcoming space for calm evening relaxation. A cozy cottage-style backyard with a small wooden deck beside a lush grassy lawn. Vintage chairs, terracotta herb pots, and climbing vines add warm countryside charm. A spacious backyard retreat with a raised wooden deck overlooking a broad green lawn. Tall trees provide shade, while a sofa and coffee table invite rest and conversation. A beautiful backyard with a smooth wooden deck extending toward a bright green lawn. Curved garden paths, flower beds, and sunset light fill the space with golden warmth. A peaceful suburban backyard with a wooden deck furnished with wicker chairs and cushions. A neat lawn, hedges, and flowering plants create a private, serene setting. A modern family backyard with a large wooden deck and open grassy lawn. A fire pit with surrounding chairs, grasses, and trees adds warmth, texture, and style. A relaxing backyard oasis with a natural wood deck facing a lush lawn dotted with small trees. Soft lighting and lounge seating create an inviting space for evening gatherings. A bright, airy backyard with a wooden deck stepping down to a vibrant green lawn. Sunlight, flower beds, shrubs, and planters enhance the peaceful garden atmosphere.